Hey, what's up everyone? Jonathan Coates here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a lot of traffic from Facebook groups. And this method isn't, and I'm not talking about posting in Facebook groups or spamming Facebook groups or just going to Facebook to the search engine, typing in your niche, and then putting group after it, and then just like posting away, which is a strategy that I love. As you can see here in my browser, I have a folder that says high traffic groups with all groups that have at least 50 to 60,000 people in. But this particular method that I'm going to show you here is one that requires you to create a Facebook group and then build it up to the point where you're an admin and you can feature your own offer at the top of the profile or in the banner. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And one of my groups is called Promote Your Business. In this group, it has about almost 50,000 members in it. And as you can see, I use this as an opportunity to just post my videos. And when I have an offer, I put my offer right there. And then I also use this as an opportunity to let members post their ad in the banner, which nobody really, probably one person since I created the group has asked me, hey, can I put my offer on your banner for 20 bucks a month or whatever? Which is actually against Facebook policy, but I didn't, but it never panned out. So but that is something that people do. What I do recommend is when groups get this big, to like once you start getting like over 100 members a day, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. But once you start getting like 100 members a day coming in your group, you want to put on post approval because you get a lot of spam content that can go against Facebook's ad policies. And so you don't want people just to be posting random stuff like this. Like this has nothing to do with the topic of my group, which is promote your business in this group. It's just some random video, and you get a lot of stuff like that. So I just go ahead and approve these real quick, just these couple real fast. And what I wanted to show you is when it comes to these groups, I got another one called Advertise Your Opportunity here. And this one kind of grows a little slower, but it does grow on its own. And that's the thing about these groups. You really just, when it comes to these advertise me here or advertise here or promote your business here type groups, you want to have have it centered, the spotlight focused on the people like the members, that they get to post whatever they want and pertain to their business and use this group as a means to get traffic. And you'll notice with these kind of groups, I just kind of go here for an example. Let's try this one. I think this one has like at least 50,000, over 100,000. So you'll notice like you get a lot of spam in these groups, and I kind of don't want to. I don't want to scroll on the wrong post here, but you get a lot of spam in these groups. But as you can see, like people just post whatever and pertain to their business in these groups. Go to the next one and see what this is like. And so really all you got to do is just call it advertise your business here, advertise your business in this group, promote your business here, and you'll get a lot of people coming in to your group. But the way you get the momentum going is by inviting your friends from Facebook, your personal Facebook profile. So like so for example, let's go back to groups real quick. I'll just show you what that looks like. So really all you really got to do is just click on invite and then invite your Facebook friends. And if you have a page, like if you have your page connected to the group, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Like my business page is actually connected to the group. So let's go to groups, and you'll see that both of these are linked to my business page. You can also invite people from here. You can invite whoever's on your business page to that group. So I recommend doing that to get the group going, and then kind of get the momentum going. It'll position it in the algorithm, and then once Facebook sees that that group has a little bit of authority, it'll start recommending it to people related to folks who talk about business or opportunity or advertising, and you'll start getting a lot of people trying to join the group. One person, one of my friends, James Scholes. Let me show you his profile real quick. So this is him. He actually has some groups. I'm not sure if it's linked to his page. Yeah, I don't think it's linked to his page. He actually hasn't posted here in a while. But let's see. Nah, he hasn't. But he actually has like 5, 6, 7 groups where they're all like this. and some of those groups has over like 100,000 members. So that's my goal, is to get like 5 to 10 groups that's just like this group grows by like 1,000 members every single week at this point, especially since these last couple of months since I've been active. I guess Facebook sees that, hey, the group owner is active, let's go ahead and get this thing like moving in the algorithm again, because it was kind of stale for a while. But I was retired then. So like, yeah, this is definitely a great way to get traffic. You can put your offer in the description, in the about me section. They make changes on these groups so much. It used to be right here. I must have changed it. Yeah, I must have just took it out the description. That's right. So you can put your offer in the description. You can put your offer on the banner ad, and you can also put your offer right here in the feature and pinned post. And that's what I recommend doing. And the way you create a Facebook group is you just click on this right here. Um, Due to aesthetics and functionality, Facebook makes changes all the time. So if what you're seeing doesn't look like this, is no worries. What you're looking for is just the create function, and then just scroll down to where it says group. And all you really got to do is just name your group name, advertise, just something like advertise your business opportunity here now, something like that. And oops, advertise your business opportunity here now, something like that, to that effect. And you want to make sure it's public so people can see it. And I'm not gonna invite anybody right now. It used to have it that you have to have at least someone else in the group before you can create it, but at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this as an opportunity to show you what I'm talking about, this strategy. So it's called advertise your business opportunity here now. And I'll just go ahead, and there used to be an option where you can just select all and then just send everybody to the group. So for the sake of time in this video, I'm not going to sit here and go individually and invite all these members, but that's essentially what it looks like. And you see how easy it was to create this group, all right? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This strategy is very, very effective. Just imagine having 10, 15 groups just like this, that's getting like 1,000 members coming in every single week. And yeah, this was just at 48,000 like a couple weeks ago. Now it's at like 49. It's almost at 50,000. And my other group, I got another group. I have another group like that, other than the advertise your opportunity here. But this one, people posting this every single day. Like, and every single day people posting here, and if you have your stuff featured, you're likely to get people to, if it's valuable, you're likely to get people clicking on it. All right, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy content like this, then I highly recommend you check out my website in the description. It's called jonathancoast.net. I share a lot of cool tips just like this, strategies on marketing and traffic generation, etc. And I will see you in the next video. See you then.